Do you know who makes more money? Doctors, scientists, MBAs? No, money only makes more money exponentially. We know or could have heard many hard-working people in the earlier generations, but they are unable to succeed in making wealth. Many people used to work for long hours and try to save money to feed their families and their necessities, but can't go beyond even for some good holidays or getting any little luxurious aspiring things. Have you ever wondered, why so? Because there were not much awareness exists those days about investment. Hardly. Earlier generation people used to store their hard-earned money in their shoe box or in some kitchen utensils. There was no awareness of how to build wealth with the money sleeping idle. So, are your hard-earned money just sitting idle in your savings account as like earlier generations' shoe box or kitchen utensils and missing out on its full potential? If so, it's time to take them out and make some good investments soon. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries of what investments are and why they hold the key to your financial dreams and can transform your financial outlook forever. Let's dive in and discover the power of investing. Investing is like planting a seed that grows into a flourishing tree of wealth. It involves acquiring assets or items with the clever intention of generating income or seeing them appreciate over time. Picture it as a strategic game where you invest resources today, be it time, effort, money, or assets, with the hope of reaping bigger rewards in the future. Think of it as buying a magic coin that multiplies with time or a rare collectible that becomes more valuable as the years pass. Whether it's gaining regular income or selling at a higher price, the art of investing opens up a world of opportunities to build a prosperous future. So, embrace the adventure and watch your investments blossom. Now, you might ask, why should you consider investing? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the world of finance, investing offers an array of compelling reasons to get excited about it, such as preserving your money's value. Investing builds wealth and lets your money work for you. Beat the inflation. Investing will help to beat the enemy, inflation. Fulfills financial dreams. Investing will fulfill your dreams like houses, vacations, education, and a worry-free retirement. Emergency needs. Investing acts as a safety net during emergency situations. Tax benefits. A lesser-known fact is that the investments offer tax benefits if chosen appropriately. First and foremost, without a doubt, investing stands as the master key to building wealth. Instead of letting your hard-earned money laze around in a regular savings account or hoard cash under your mattress, investing lets your money do the heavy lifting. Your investments have the potential to generate returns which, when reinvested, can compound over time. Before you know it, you'll see your wealth grow faster than you ever thought possible. Inflation, a valid concern. Inflation is like a sneaky villain that erodes the purchasing power of your money. Fear not, as investing can be your superhero to defeat this financial nemesis. By carefully choosing the right investment vehicles, you can aim for returns that outpace inflation. This means your money retains its value and buying power, allowing you to maintain a comfortable lifestyle. Now, let's talk dreams. Everyone has them: a dream house, an exotic vacation, or funding your children's education. Do you think these all possible with your current 9-to-5 job routine or with your current business? Investing is your only ticket to realizing these financial aspirations. When you invest, you let your money work for you and it grows exponentially every time. By wisely investing your money, you can create a path to accumulate enough funds to make those dreams come true. Imagine you're sipping margaritas on a sun-kissed beach during your retirement. Investing is the engine that drives your retirement planning, and it's never too early to start. The sooner you begin investing for retirement, the more time your money has to grow and prepare for those golden years. So, kick back and enjoy retirement without the worries of financial struggles. Investing is like a buffet of opportunities, offering you various assets to choose from: stocks, bonds, real estate, you name it. Diversification is the secret sauce that reduces risk, ensuring that your financial future doesn't hinge on the performance of a single investment. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Passive income, the ultimate dream for many. Certain investments, such as dividend-paying stocks or rental properties, can generate steady passive income. Imagine getting money while you sleep. Now that's financial freedom at its finest. Investing not only empowers your dreams but also acts as a safety net during challenging times. Life is unpredictable, and emergencies can strike when we least expect them. Investing in assets provides a financial cushion to weather storms and come out stronger on the other side. Let's delve into the magic of compounding. When you invest early and let your returns reinvest, the magic of compounding begins. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, growing bigger and faster with each turn. The longer you stay invested, the greater the compounding effect becomes, propelling your overall gains to new heights. Did someone say tax benefits? Certain investments come with delightful tax advantages. For instance, in some countries, tax-deferred accounts like IRAs or 401(k)s reduce your taxable income, which means you pay less in taxes. Country like India will help you to grow your wealth with tax burden reduction like tax saver fixed deposits. Public Provident Scheme (PPF) with guaranteed interest rate, unit-linked insurance plans (ULIPs) provide tax savings under Section 80C and 1010D, offering the flexibility to choose equity or debt funds. Tax-saving mutual funds called DLSS also qualifies for tax deduction under 80C. This is a win-win situation where you grow your wealth and save on taxes simultaneously. So, you can choose the investment that best suits your financial goals and saves taxes efficiently. But wait, there's more. Investing is not just about personal gains, it's about being part of something bigger. By investing in companies through stocks or mutual funds, you become a stakeholder in their growth and success. As these companies thrive, you participate in the overall growth of the economy. It's like adding a dash of altruism to your financial journey. The icing on the cake is that the investments grow tax-deferred, allowing for potentially higher returns than a regular savings account. It's like turbocharging your financial growth. Nowadays, many people play it safe, choosing to keep all their money in their bank savings account due to perceived investment risks. Why not explore the exciting world of investments? Sure, it might sound a bit daunting at first, but trust me, the potential benefits are worth it. Let's start by highlighting the key differences between saving and investing. When you save, you get a relatively low and predictable return, which is considered safer. It's perfect for short-term needs and emergencies. On the other hand, investing carries more risk and volatility, but it offers the tantalizing possibility of higher returns. Think about it, a meager 2.5% to 7% annual return from the bank versus a potential 12% to 18% or even more return from stocks or mutual funds. The difference is clear. Moreover, investing is geared toward long-term goals. If you have dreams of a luxurious retirement on a tropical beach, investments are your ticket to making those dreams come true. They also act as a shield against the silent money killer, inflation. While savings may not keep up with rising prices, investments can effectively combat the erosion of your purchasing power over time. Now, I can hear you saying, but what about the risks? It's true, investing involves some risk. However, with risk comes reward, and you can minimize those risks by diversifying your portfolio and seeking professional advice. So, what are the exciting ways to make investment? Well, the possibilities are almost limitless. You could dip your toes into the stock market, becoming a part owner of a company. You might want to consider bonds, which pay you back over time while providing regular income. Or perhaps you'd prefer to pool your money with others through mutual funds or index funds for easy access to a broad range of investments. And there's more. Real estate offers the potential for both rental income and property value appreciation. Commodities like energy, metals, and agriculture can be invested in directly or through digital representations like ETFs. And let's not forget about the revolutionary world of cryptocurrency, where blockchain-based digital currencies like Bitcoin can bring exciting opportunities for growth and decentralized finance. To make it all more relatable, let's take a peek at the legendary investor, Mr. Warren Buffett. He's the epitome of long-term investment success. With his wise strategies and patient approach, he's become one of the wealthiest individuals globally. Learning from his experiences can inspire and guide you on your investment journey.
So far, we had learned about what is investment, why to invest, and how to invest. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey into the world of investments. Remember, investing isn't just for the wealthy or the financial experts. It's for anyone ready to take charge of their financial destiny. Now, go forth, invest wisely, and unlock the door to your prosperous future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow adventurers. Until next time, happy investing.